We've got some rain chances coming our way as we go through the next 12 hours. Through our daylight time frame, though, spotty in nature. Greater risk as we head through the overnight hours tonight. There's a likelihood that you may get awoken by some thunder and lightning in the middle of the night in some of the parts of the area. Periods of rain expected to continue Thursday and Friday. In fact, there is a flooding potential, although minor. It is there for the next few days. Invest 97L, our tropical wave that we've been watching out in the Atlantic Basin, struggling to get its act together. All right, here's a look at radar. Not much activity out there at this time. We did have a few downpours out through Galveston earlier this morning, Brazoria County. Notice these have fizzled within the last 45 minutes or so, but there is more to come because we've got a catalyst, an instigator for more storms. It's a decaying frontal boundary that's going to drop its way south as it interacts with our sea breeze. Our warm, humid air in place, unstable air, it'll force that air to rise, and we'll see more widespread downpours. Here's how it plays out on future track. Here's our risk through our daylight time frame, just our run-of-the-mill garden variety showers and storms flaring up from the daytime heating through mid to late afternoon. Things die down briefly, and then here comes that boundary to the north, dropping on in. Look at the time here, 11 o'clock. Widespread showers and storms. There could be some gusty wind, likely some thunder and lightning with these as well. And then as it pushes towards the coast, it does start to dissipate a little bit throughout our day on Thursday. Hit or miss showers and thunderstorms with heavy tropical-like downpours, and we'll play this out pretty much again into the day on Friday. So here's a look at model renditions in terms of rainfall totals. Notice spotty in nature, the heavier totals there. That's because it's not going to be raining everywhere all the time. We have isolated areas of higher totals, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain certainly possible in some of the heaviest of the downpours, which is why we do have that flood risk. As we head through this afternoon and evening, a marginal risk. It goes up 4 tiers. It's the lowest tier, tier number 1. Tomorrow, that does shift a little bit farther to the south and southeast, and then as we head into Friday, it goes pretty much I-10 points south of there for more flash flooding potential there. So again, lowest of the risk, but the risk is there. Rain chances 70% tomorrow, 60% Friday, and even heading into the weekend, we still carry that risk, at least through the first half, at 40%. This afternoon, it's already hot and humid out there. 93, it feels like 100. We're pretty much in the same boat no matter where you go. 93 at Brenham, 93 at Katy. Add in dew points, triple-digit heat indices already this lunch hour. Here's a look at 97L out in the Atlantic Basin. This is it right here. Very disorganized, low chances of getting its act together within the next 5 days and getting a name, which would be Danielle. Not likely. 96 at Houston today, 97 in Katy. 98 in El Campo. Storms likely more widespread, at least after dark. There's your 7-day forecast. 90 tomorrow with the increased rain chances holding down temperatures a bit. Again on Friday and into the weekend, we start to recover. Temperatures back in the mid-90s, but carrying a rain risk right through the early part of next week. Sherman?
All right, thanks very much, Tim. And be sure to download the KHOU Hurricane Preparedness Guide. Point your phone camera to the QR code on your screen to get started, or head to khou.com/hurricane.